Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Ntoskrnl.exe BSOD error on Windows step by step. Follow these methods carefully and your system should be stable again. Let's get started. First, open the Start menu and type Check for Updates. Click on it. Now click Check for Updates. Make sure your system is fully up to date. Install any pending updates. Step 2. Open the Start menu and type CMD. Right-click Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. Click Yes. Now type the following command, sfc/scano. Press Enter. Wait for the scan to complete. Once the SFC scan is done, type dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health. Press Enter. Wait for the scan to finish. Now type chk disk/f/r. Press Enter. When prompted, type Y and press Enter again. Now restart your computer. As your PC boots up, you may see a message to skip disk checking. Do not press any key. Let the scan run completely. This final scan will check and repair disk errors. Final step. Once the scan is complete, Windows will load normally. Your Ntoskrnl.exe BSOD error should now be fixed. That's it.